So today I want us to talk about composting. Not composting for mushroom, but for your urban garden, growing your own vegetables at home. You can equally produce your own organic fertilizer at home, right? Organic compost. So that at the end you know what you are eating. You reduce cost of going outside to buy organic compost, right? You can convert the waste from your kitchen to compost. There is nothing like waste at all. Nothing is called waste until you waste it. So you can convert all the kitchen waste that after cooking you are going to dump at the refuse dump or burn to cause air pollution. You can convert it into compost, which you will use to grow your vegetables at home. So without wasting time, let's go to the field and see how I convert my kitchen waste into compost. So we've done some nursery here. The sun is very hot in Ghana and the temperature is around 31 degrees Celsius. So there's a need to create shade for nursery of seedlings. So I've nursed lettuce here and I have provided shade for it, right? And this is my taro leaves. Yeah, so in Ghana it's called contomere. This is contomere. You can use this to prepare your stew. Yeah, and then the root will give you the banking, okay, or manking. Yeah. So you get food from the bottom when it's matured. If today is your first time, do well to hit on the subscription button to join the family team. Everything about agric is done here. Controlling what you eat and also growing your organic vegetables or farming any type of crops and selling. That is generation of income and as employment to you at your comfort zone or at home. So waste segregation starts in the kitchen. So I separate the ones that can be decomposed from the ones that cannot, the plastics, which is also channeled to a different thing else, yeah, before using the ones that can be composed to formulate my compost or send it to my urban garden where I formulate my compost, right? And this is my compost. So here I dump all my kitchen waste. So you can see orange there, you can see watermelon and all sorts of kitchen waste, right? So I go to the communities, I pick their waste from the fruit sellers and then from my kitchen, and I have arranged the tiles, yeah, so from the bottom to the top. So if you have a tiles at home, you can also use a container. So from the bottom I have been filling it so it gets full. So these have gotten full. All I have to do is to cover it, right? So I'll cover this and there will be no dumping of kitchen waste again, but to wait for it to get ready and then I will spread it on my farm, yeah, my urban garden. Then I have new ones here. So this one very fresh. So I'll just pile up the tiles again. So this is very short tile. I'll add additional two to cover the entire thing. So I'll keep on adding it till it gets to the top here. Then I'll cover it and leave it to decompose. So everything will turn into soil and then I will spread it on my farm. So I get all this waste from the community, the orange sellers, the pineapple sellers, and then the watermelon sellers. That is the fruit sellers, right? And then we have some rotten banana here. Everything into compost. Very organic and rich in soil nutrients. And when it's applied to your vegetable farm, it gets everything perfect. So this is my pepper, yeah, and then different type of vegetables all around. I have bitter leaf here, very medicinal and healthy. Using plastics, yeah. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. This is your girl, the crown princess of the edible fungi kingdom. Akintina Evelyn is the name. Smash the subscription button to join the lovely team.